Hello students! In this lesson, we will learn how to write an essay. How would you define the word essay? An essay is an informative, formal piece of writing on a particular subject, and it is usually submitted to a teacher or a tutor. Synonyms of the word essay are article, composition, study, paper, assignment, thesis, discourse, text, disquisition, commentary, critique, criticism, assessment, etc. There are several basic types of essays. Persuasive essays, for and against essays, reasons essays, and reasons and solutions essays. Some points to consider when you want to write an essay are making a list of points you will present. Then you have to present each point in a separate paragraph. Always use formal style and use as many formal linking words and phrases. The plan or the structure is very simple. There is an introduction, then the main body, and the conclusion. Before writing, you always have to read the topic given to you, or the situation, or the rubric. Then you have to underline the key words of this topic or situation described, or the rubric. Then you have to ask and answer some questions like, what type of essay composition is it? What question does the rubric ask you to answer? Which causes might contribute to the issue? This is about reasons essays. And which side of the issue do you agree with in for and against essays? Let's start with the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you should state the topic and your opinion. You can start it with making a reference to an unusual or striking idea situation. You can address the reader directly, often with rhetorical question, or you can start with a quotation or thought-provoking statements. Here you have an example. The writer begins this essay, so this opening of the essay, with a rhetorical question. Can you imagine traffic jams becoming a thing of the past? And then he used two linking words to make a contrasting points, yet and still. When writing a composition or an essay, you need to brainstorm for ideas. In order to do that, it is helpful to approach an issue from a different viewpoints. The discussion clock, as you see here, helps you to choose the points that you will include in your essay. So you have here lots of points, and you can go through them and choose what you are going to write about. The main body usually includes 2 or 3 viewpoints. To avoid repetition of the same linking words, such as and, but, we have to use a range of linking words. As you see here, they are categorized, and you can go through the list and choose the linking words that you can use in your essay. And ending an essay is very important. In the last paragraph, you should state your opinion or give a balanced consideration of the topic. You may also include one of the following techniques, like finish with a quotation, ask rhetorical question, or give the reader something to consider. Here you have an example, the ending or the conclusion of the essay. The writer ends this essay by giving the reader something to consider. Like the best course of action would instead be to achieve a balance by limiting the number of vehicles permitted into a city center, etc. And here are two linking words used to sum up, and I'm convinced that these linking words are usually used in the conclusion. After writing your essay, please check if all points asked for in the rubric are included. The writing is well organized and coherent. There is a topic sentence with supporting sentences in each paragraph. Appropriate techniques are used to start and end. There is a variety of suitable formal linking words to connect ideas. The appropriate register style is used, of course, always formal style. Grammar and spelling are used accurately. There is a range of rich vocabulary. There is an appropriate conclusion which summarizes the arguments and gives opinions. And the target reader is fully informed about the topic. Thank you for your attention.